Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, now on its own dedicated channel. This is our weekly look at new products for our through-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we feature new releases from Atlas, Lionel, Menards, and MTH, and it's a long list, so let's get started. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas is pleased to announce the production of a Premier O Central, Maine, and Quebec GP38-2 diesel engine with Protosound 3.0 for Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The locomotive will be arriving soon in 3 cab numbers and is outfitted with Protosound 3.0 digital sound and will include operating diesel exhaust, LED lighting, engineer and fireman figures, and much more. With arrival expected in summer 2025, the early order price is $593.96. Atlas is producing a pair of Alco C425 diesels in Detroit and Mackinac colors for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. The models will be available numbered 281 and 381. If a single unit is ordered, the road number will be selected by METCA. Shipment is expected in early 2026, and the pre-order price is $639.99 each, or both for $1199.99. The Railroad Museum of New England is now taking pre-orders for the Turbo the Shopcat O-Scale tank car by Lionel Trains. This limited edition tank car features an adorable design and is crafted from high-quality materials to make this a true O-Scale model. Only 175 examples will be made. Due in late 2025, the $95 pre-order is due by October 31st, 2025. Also available from the museum is an exclusive Lionel boxcar decorated for the Naugatuck Railroad Company. This car is in stock now and is available for $85 plus shipping. Lionel Trains will be producing 2 exclusive Legacy GP35 diesels for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. These diesels will be available in Halloween or Christmas colors. Expected in late 2025, the pre-order price for these models is $599.99 each. Lionel Trains will also be producing an exclusive America 250 Legacy S2 steam turbine locomotive for METCA. Expected in late 2025, the pre-order price for this historic model is $1299.99. Menards has released the Sooty's No. 12 mine shaft accessory in O-Scale. Sooty's No. 12 has a compact 5-inch by 8-inch footprint housing a brick hoist room. In a shaft mine, rotating wheels are used to move carriers of coal to the surface and to transport miners up and down the shaft. Look closely inside the shaft and you'll spot the wheels rotating and a conveyor belt up, over the axle, and back down to the mine. Illuminating Sooty's mine shaft requires a Menards 4.5-volt power supply sold separately. The models are now available online for $59.99 before rebates. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing a Sleighfull of limited edition North Pole releases beginning this fall, including 2 diesel locomotives with matching caboose and passenger cars, bump-and-go trolley, several complementing boxcars, gondolas with lighted snowmen, and flat cars with Santa sleigh. All are a great way to add to your own holiday collection of past North Pole cars and sets. Each of these offerings is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in October 2025. Among the items is the Rail King North Pole ES44 AC Imperial Diesel with a suggested list price of $459.95, a Rugged Rails North Pole Extended Vision Caboose with LED lights with a suggested price of $89.95, the Rail King North Pole Alco PA Diesel with a suggested price of $419.95, a Rail King 4-car 60-foot streamlined passenger set with LED lights with a suggested price of $439.95, a Rail King 2-car sleeper and diner set with LED lights with a suggested price of $224.95, a Rail King 60-foot streamlined coach car with LED lights listed at $114.95, and a Rail King 60-foot full Vista dome car with LED lights listed at $119.95. Also in the lineup is a Rail King North Pole bump-and-go trolley with LED lights listed at $109.95. The Rail King North Pole 4-car 50-foot double-door plug-door boxcar set with LED lights for $369.95 for the 4-car set, the Rail King North Pole boxcar for $69.95, the Rail King North Pole boxcar with blinking LED lights for $79.95, the Rail King North Pole gondola with snowmen and LED lights listed at $84.95, and 2 different Rail King North Pole flat cars with Santa, reindeer, and lights for $89.95 each, and the North Pole water tower with LED lights for $84.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale FEF Class 484 Northern steam engine in Union Pacific 49er colors for Mr. Muffin's trains. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2025. The early order price is $1439.96. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive unlettered O-Scale FEF 484 Northern steam engine for Mr. Muffin's trains. This locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2025 with an early order price of $1439.96. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale FEF 484 Northern in U.S. Army colors for Stockyard Express. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2025 with an early order price of $1449.95. And MTH has also announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale FEF Northern in Donald Trump colors for Patrick's Trains. This locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2025 with an early order price of $1499.99. And remember to visit our virtual storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.